Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today's video is really exciting because it's been requested a lot. It is a rental bathroom makeover. We are in Donna and Andrew's apartment in the west end of Toronto. They've just moved in and enlisted me to give their bathroom a little more love. So they've given me $400. I've been sourcing some product over the last few weeks, and today I'm gonna transform it. So here's the plan. I'm going to swap out this wall mirror to add way more storage, change this ceiling light into a beautiful pendant, get rid of these towel rods that are taking up way too much room, and add a new hardwood looking floor. Yes, I said hardwood. Lastly, I'm gonna add some fun art up here and bring in lots of beautiful textiles to brighten the whole room up. Probably one of the easiest ways to change up your rental bathroom is with a statement light. So we've installed this beautiful pendant with gold detailing that Donna and Andrew found at an antique design store. Next up is the top of the vanity. If you saw my DIY kitchen makeover video, you know that I love using contact paper. So my original plan was to use that same marble contact paper on top of this sink. The thing about this sink is that there's no lip for the seam of the contact paper to hide. Water would come up underneath it and it just wouldn't look great. It's time to move on to the drawers and the cupboard. Now I'm doing a quick knob change and adding these beautiful gold knobs from Target. And just like that, this vanity has gone really glam. For their hand towel, I found this rod that just slides on top of cabinet doors. It was only $10 and is going to hold their hand towel or wet washcloths that need to dry. Such a great product for small kitchens and bathrooms that don't have ample amount of hook storage. Now onto floors. Guys, this is going to blow your mind. If you're stuck with ugly, outdated tiles in your rental, there's hope for you, I promise. These planks look like hardwood, but they're actually vinyl, meaning that they're way cheaper and easy to install than regular hardwood. And they're even waterproof. You don't need any nails or glue. All you do is lay them down over your existing floor and click them together. When you get to tricky places like around the molding or the vanity area, use a contour gauge to mimic the shape you're going to cut out and then trace it onto the hardwood like this. All you need to cut it to size is an X-Acto knife. And when you move, just take the floor up and install it in your next bathroom. So genius! Next, I'm gonna switch out this vanity. This one doesn't have a lot of space, and in a small bathroom, storage is key, especially when it's on the wall. So try to maximize it as much as possible. I found this one at IKEA, and it has so much storage. I'm making it look pretty with a couple of plants on the side and Donna's everyday beauty products. I also found this Umbra caddy that's going to corral their toothpaste and their toothbrushes. This little drawer underneath keeps these small things organized like Q-tips, floss, tweezers. Sneaky storage for the win. It's time to deal with these towel bars. They're in an awkward place and don't look that great. I'm not a huge fan of towel bars in a small bathroom. They're clunky, they're not super practical, so we just took them down on the weekend, patched them up with some spackle, and now I'm painting over the holes. This paint went on really, really light, and it kind of scared me at first, but here's a note. If you get the right color and it goes on lighter, it will dry darker than when it goes on. Now that the towel racks are gone, we've got a blank wall. I love using hooks to create wall art that's also functional, so I'm using my fave bamboo hooks right here, and this is where Donna and Andrew are gonna hang their wet towels. Donna really wanted a place to store towels, and I thought long and hard about this one. Originally, I was thinking of doing a standing cabinet over the toilet, but decided against it because I thought it would look too crowded. So instead, I'm DIYing a towel holder that will go over the back of the door. I picked up two 1-inch by 48-inch wood round dowels from the hardware store and some thick, natural-looking sisal rope. Using a spade bit, I drilled 2 holes on either side of the dowels. Make sure you measure where you're gonna put each hole and make sure it's at least 1 inch away from the end. If it's any closer when you drill a hole, the dowel will just split. Then I'm threading the rope through and tying knots under each hole of the dowel so the rope doesn't slide. I've just used one of those renter-friendly removable hooks on the back of the door, and I'm hanging the ladder here. When you're decorating a small space, everything counts because it's all on display. So when I found this pretty toilet brush, I nearly fainted. That's a little bit dramatic. I didn't nearly faint, but have you ever seen one of these that looks so pretty? Because the space in front of the shower isn't big enough for a full bath mat, this one from the Opal House collection from Target looks like an area rug but functions as a bath mat, the perfect piece to tie this whole room together. And finally, the finishing touches. A really cute hand soap dispenser and a fun piece of art above the toilet. And this really cute shower curtain that was bought before this video was filmed. Pom-poms, I approve. And there it is, our fully reversible bathroom makeover that cost under $400. I actually think that with all the other changes I've made, the vanity actually doesn't look half as bad. It's amazing what other decor changes can do to transform that stuff that you can't change, like a vanity countertop. If you liked any of the products, they'll all be linked in the description box below. And now let's bring in Donna to see the final space.
That's so nice. Oh my goodness. It's like a totally different, beautiful. They look so cute. That's nice. I'm so happy with it. I love that you can make such a difference with completely reversible changes. I think the floor is probably my favorite, like, impact item. But I love the vanity because then I can put a whole lot of stuff in there and it looks so much better.
Guys, before we end this video, Carla just suggested that I apologize for not having a cat in this video. I am really sorry. I think it might be the first makeover video with no cats in it, which is really sad. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you are gonna try in your own rental space. See you next time.